and faith, she achieved her ambition to become a great athlete. Because if she would have if she would have listened to the advice of the doctors, according to her doctors, she would not be able to put her foot down on earth. But with all her hard work, ambition, and her undying spirit, she was able to become a great athlete. Now we come to answer number 4. How did Vilma create history in Olympics? How did Vilma create history in Olympics? We'll start that at the age of 15. Vilma started practice under the guidance of her coach named Eid Temple. Right? This was the name of her coach, and then the day she entered, and Vilma was matched against a woman named Jutta Hein. But you take care of this thing, that whenever you are writing somebody's name, it's a naming word, so you have to start with the capital letter. What I have seen in your notebooks, that you don't take care of the punctuation marks and all that. So it is very much it's a basic point in the this punctuation, that we always start the naming words, whether it is a name of a person, place, animal, or a thing. We start it with the capital letters, and there is no full stop, and you are using capital letters in between wherever in the line. So be careful about that. Whenever you are writing somebody's name, you start with the capital letter, and when the sentence ends, you should put a full stop there. And if it is the sentence is in continuation, then you should put the comma. So you should take care of at least of the capital letters, full stop, and comma. These are the basic things in punctuation. So Jutta Hein, and she was never beaten. She was never been beaten. This athlete was never been beaten. ठीक है ना? आपको लेसन में मैंने समझाया था. Vilma beat Jutta 3 times in 100 meters, 200 meter race, and 400 meter relay race. And won her 3 gold medals and created history. So at the age of 15, she started practicing about her running race, and under the guidance of her coach named Eid Temple. And Vilma was matched against a woman named Jutta Hein. Jutta Hein इन ओलंपिक्स भी लिख लेना बच्चे, यहाँ पे ऐड कर लेना अगेंस्ट अ वुमेन नेम जूटा हिन इन ओलंपिक्स, नहीं एट द ओलंपिक्स, एट जूटा हिन एट ओलंपिक्स एंड शी वॉज नेवर बीन बीटन. ठीक है, she had never been beaten. So Wilma beat Juta 3 times in 100 meters, 200 meter and 400 meter relay race and won her 3 gold medals and created history. So she beat Juta Hines 3 times. First time in 100 meter race she won the first gold medal. Second time she won the 200 meter race, she got her second gold medal, and finally she beat her in 400 meter relay race and won her third gold medal and created history. So this was how she created history and became the fastest woman on earth. Okay, with this we are complete with the question answer part. Now we start with the MCQ part. Tick the correct option. Wilma was born in, where she was born? Tennessee. It's a US state. क्या है ये? US में एक state है. Okay. It's a name of a city. Means it's a state. What was the name of her coach? Eid Temple. The name of her coach was Eid Temple. Doctor advised Wilma. क्या doctors? What the doctors had advised her? The doctors had advised her not to run. They have advised her not to run. Now we come to the language skill part. Tick the correct homophones given in brackets. Homophones are the words which are pronounced in the same way. Like, see this word, advise and advise. Both the words are pronounced in the same way. They sound same, but the spellings are different and the meanings are different. Here the advice is ADVICE. This is ADVISE. Both are advice. Both are pronounced in the same way, but they have different meaning. A bit different. With CE it is used as a noun, and with SE it is used with the verb. Okay. So here we have to tick the correct homophone जो यहाँ पर हमें सूट करता है. So here the Wilma ignored the advice. Here ये वाला advice आएगा, verb वाला नहीं आएगा. Advice of the doctor. The doctor said that she would, ये वाला would आएगा, ये वाला would नहीं. इसको तो हम लकड़ी बोलते हैं ना. Never put her foot on the earth. The doctor said that she would never put her foot on the earth. So the third one is the Wilma had won or won. So these are the same words with the same pronunciation, but the meanings are different. Here ONE1 is the one, and WON won means you have succeeded or you have been awarded her first gold medal in 100 meters race. Now the fourth one, did you hear? This here and this here, they are pronounced in the same way, but the meaning is different and the spellings are different. They are pronounced in the same way here. So here this word will be correct. Did you hear the name of Wilma Rudolph? Look at the following sentences. Now we move to this. At the age of 13, she entered her first race. Here the word is at. Wilma saw Juta shoot up at the other end. Here again it is at. So now here we are talking about the prepositions. Here at is used as a preposition. You know what our prepositions are? You have already read in the previous classes. In the first sentence it is used at the preposition of time. In the first sentence it is used as the preposition of time. इस sentence में आपको टाइम का पता चल रहा है. एट द एज ऑफ 13 मीन्स किस टाइम पे? जब वो 13 ईयर्स की थी. शी एंटर्ड हर फर्स्ट रेस. बट इन द सेकेंड सेंटेंस विल्मा सॉ जूटा शूट अप एट द अदर एंड मीन्स हियर इट इज टेलिंग यू अबाउट द प्लेस. एट विच प्लेस? ओके. So it is used as the preposition of place. At is used in both the sentences, but it has a different meaning. In the one sentence, first one, it is telling you about the time, and in the second sentence, it is telling you about the place. So now we will read the sentences, and we will write down which one is the preposition of place and which one is the preposition of time. Now use at in the following sentences at the appropriate place, means suitable place. जहाँ पे आपको सूटेबल लग रहा है कि लाइन में यहाँ पे हमें एट लगाना है. द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज द रेस स्टार्ट्स 9 o'clock. सो हियर वी विल द रेस स्टार्ट्स एट 9 o'clock, बिकॉज यहाँ पे बिना एट के कोई मीनिंग नहीं बन रहा बच्चे सेंटेंस का. यहाँ पे वी विल री राइट दिस सेंटेंस लाइक दिस. द रेस स्टार्ट्स at. Here we will add the at word at 9 o'clock with full stop. Don't forget to put full stops. Bacha, I have seen in your notebooks you're not taking care of the punctuation part. At least you should start the sentence with the capital letter, put comma if it is continued, and at the end of the sentence you should put full stop. Second line, everybody is looking Wilma. Now it's incomplete. You cannot sense what the sentence is telling you about. Everybody is looking at Wilma. So you will rewrite it. Everybody is looking at Wilma. Okay? Full stop. There was a long queue, the bus stop. Now there is no connection between these two phrases if we don't put the at here. There was a long queue. You will write it like this. There was a long queue. You understand queue? What is queue? It's a line, bachche. There was a long queue at. We will put at here. At the bus stop. Full stop. Is Wilma home? No, it's incorrect. We have to add here. Add at here. Is Wilma at home? Now this is grammatically correct. Is Wilma at home? Okay? Now we come to the C part. Write whether at is used as the preposition of time or preposition of place in the following sentences. At night, the sky is full of stars. At night means रात में. The sky is full of stars. रात के टाइम. तो आपको इसमें क्या पता चल रहा है? टाइम का. So you will write here time. Did you enjoy yourself at the party? यहाँ पे आपसे वो पूछ रहे हैं क्या आपने पार्टी के टाइम एंजॉय किया या पार्टी की जगह पे आपने एंजॉय किया. So did you enjoy at the party means it's just telling you about the place. He lives at 10 Akbar Road. So where he is living? It is telling you about the place. The train arrived at noon. So when does the train arrive? Here at means it is telling you about the time. Okay. So today we have discussed about the question answers of this lesson, the Wilma Rudolph. I have given you the word meanings also, extra word meanings. Then we have done this part also, MCQ part. We have done the language skill part also. So I think it's more than enough for today. So all of you complete your work in your books and notebooks and send your notebooks for checking at the reception at your